To really show the Ukrainian drone army's skill, this video is proof enough, as a T-72B3 tank with a cope cage is hiding within a hangar. The Ukrainian drone flies at high speed, avoiding any pillars, making a quick 180 turn as the front section of the tank is much more armored, flying up a little while having poor reception, and then homing in on the back section over the engine compartment. While little armor and many fragile and combustible parts are here, striking it at the most optimal position, showing what the drone army can do with a small cheap drone and a warhead, being able to damage or destroy one of Russia's hiding tanks, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.